In today's fast-paced business environment, staying ahead of the curve is critical to maintaining a competitive edge. One of the ways to achieve this is by using machine learning. Machine learning is a type of artificial intelligence that enables computers to learn and improve from data, without being explicitly programmed. In this article, we will explore how machine learning can revolutionize your business, and provide some tips and strategies for implementation. Improved decision-making. Machine learning can help businesses make better decisions by analyzing data and providing insights. By identifying patterns and trends in the data, machine learning algorithms can make predictions and provide recommendations to support business decisions. This can help businesses reduce risks, optimize operations, and make more informed decisions. Personalized marketing. Personalization is an important aspect of modern marketing. Machine learning can help businesses personalize marketing efforts by analyzing customer data and behavior to create targeted marketing campaigns. By identifying customer preferences, interests, and behaviors, businesses can create personalized marketing campaigns that are more likely to resonate with their target audience, leading to increased engagement and sales. Fraud detection and prevention. Fraud is a significant challenge for businesses of all sizes. Machine learning can help businesses detect and prevent fraud by analyzing large amounts of data in real time. By identifying patterns and anomalies in data, machine learning algorithms can detect fraudulent activity and flag it for further investigation. This can help businesses reduce the risk of financial loss and protect their reputation. Improved customer service. Machine learning can help businesses improve customer service by providing automated chatbots and virtual assistants. By automating routine customer service tasks, businesses can reduce response times and improve the overall customer experience. Predictive maintenance. In many industries, maintenance is critical to prevent downtime and maintain operations. Machine learning can help businesses predict when equipment is likely to fail, enabling proactive maintenance. By analyzing sensor data and other sources of information, machine learning algorithms can predict when maintenance is required, helping businesses reduce downtime and save money on costly repairs. Tips and strategies for implementing machine learning in your business. Start with a clear goal in mind, identify specific business challenges that machine learning can address, and set clear goals for what you want to achieve. Build a team with the right skills. Machine learning requires specialized skills, including data scientists and machine learning engineers. Build a team with the right skills and expertise to ensure success. Choose the right tools and technology. There are many tools and technologies available for machine learning. Choose the ones that are best suited to your business needs and goals. Collect and prepare data. Machine learning requires large amounts of data to be effective. Collect and prepare data from various sources to ensure that the machine learning algorithms have sufficient information to learn from.